Gol Gumbaz Introduction. The Gol Gumbaz is the mausoleum of King Muhammad Adil Shah, who was the seventh ruler of the Adil Shahi dynasty and one of the most prominent sultans of Bijapur. The Gumbaz is a fabulously imposing domed structure towering 51 meters over the skyline of Bijapur. It is one of the most striking examples of late medieval Indo-Islamic Deccan architecture. The name Gol Gumbaz is derived from the name Gol Gumbad, meaning circular dome. This is in reference to the magnificent circular dome of the building that lends it its unique character. The domed roof of the Gumbaz is an astounding 44 meters in diameter and is considered to be the largest dome in India and the second largest in the world, only behind St. Peter's Basilica in Rome. Muhammad Adil Shah started the construction of his own tomb to bury his mortal remains soon as he became king in 1626. He desired to build a mausoleum for himself that would be far more spectacular than the Ibrahim Raza, the tomb of his father, Ibrahim Adil Shah II. The Sultan wanted his mausoleum to be large and intricate, and so the Gol Gumbaz was designed as a mammoth single-chamber structure and remains one of the biggest in the world till date. The construction of the tomb continued throughout Muhammad Adil Shah's regime but could not be fully executed due to the sudden demise of Sultan in 1656. Buried along with the Sultan are his two wives, Taj Jahan Begum and Aruz Bibi, his mistress Rambha, his daughter and his grandson. This grey basalt structure is nestled amidst a beautiful and well-maintained complex about 2 kilometers from the city of Bijapur. It is truly one of the finest and most impressive royal tombs to be built in India, and it attracts millions of visitors every year. Let us now explore the grandeur of the Gol Gumbaz for ourselves.